Well, y'all, today's kind of a grim day. Today we mourn the loss of the newest member of our family, Mr. Gobbles. Mr. Gobbles showed up about 2.5 weeks ago. He was a young adolescent male turkey, super docile, obviously a pet. I don't know where he came from, but I think he gravitated towards us because of our chickens and had him a nice little roost there, and we started feeding him. And Mr. Gobbles was family. As a matter of fact, so much so that we were looking forward to having him for Thanksgiving. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. Mr. Gobbles met his demise by a local canine group, and they were not our dogs. So, and it was kind of gruesome. But anywho, we're going to honor Mr. Gobbles in true homestead fashion, and we're going to repurpose his beautiful feathers. My wife's already rumored a dream catcher, so I'm excited to see what she comes up with. But until then, rest in peace, Mr. Gobbles. Rest in peace. And y'all stay tuned for this short clip. Appreciate you. Man, babe, that is a huge bird. He's coming at me. So apparently we got a turkey neighbor that comes and visits the chickens. You can tell he's extremely aggressive. Could attack you at any second. Well, y'all, today we bid adieu to Mr. Gobbles. It's been a sad, sad day. But if you're going to have animals, you're going to lose animals. Fact of life. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.